loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Kiara and Sophia. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Today is a update weekly wash day routine for Sophia. This is normally what I do every weekend for her hair. I do use the same products kind of in a way. I do show you guys 2 new products that I use for her hair after I wash it. But yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so and join our little YouTube family. I do mommy videos on the regular and more vlogs now because that's what we do now since we are in quarantine still. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first thing I do is just I wet her hair. I got this new routine now down pack that I use for in the sink. I used to wash her hair all the time in the bathtub, but now I just take like a really soft towel that she used to use all the time, and I kind of like roll it up so she can lay her neck and her head down on it, so it's more comfortable for her and more comfortable for myself as well. So I normally just use Cantu. I use the natural hair shampoo and the natural hair conditioner as well. So I normally wash her hair about 2 to 3 times in the sink, and I rinse it out really good. I scrub her scalp, and it's really good when I have nails because I really get in there and she really loves it. So yeah, it makes it more comfortable for her, and it definitely helps me get the job done when it comes to washing her hair and making it much more easier. So now for conditioner, I normally just go through it, and I take like a really nice size amount of it, and I work that into her hair first, and then I split it up and I take like a dime size amount and I put that in, so that way I can brush through it and kind of detangle it and to make sure every part of the hair is coated and nice and smooth and got all the kinks out. And this just really helps her hair to, you know, maintain that moisture that I needed to maintain. And I'll twist it up at the end because Sophia has a lot of hair, so this just helps me get through it a lot easier. So after we are done with the washing, I just kind of take that towel and go over it. I also use like a hair towel that I got out of Marshall's that's in the shape of a unicorn. It's super cute. It's like really soft, and it kind of soaks up pretty much all of that water that is in her hair, so it does not like leak all over the place when it's time for me to style it and stuff. And I love this little thing. If I could find this like somewhere on Amazon, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys because it is super cute. Look at her little face. So this is kind of like what I normally do. I just sit down on the bed and I part her hair into 4, and I separate into 4, and this is how I'm able to put in her leave-in and some oils I grease her scalp with just to make sure her hair is moisturized. It is just so much easier this way. I'm so happy I've decided to start doing her hair like this. It just makes it stress-free. And the process goes by a lot quicker. When I used to wash her hair, I used to feel like it took me forever. But this is so much easier. So first what I do is just go over it again with the wet brush. I just brush it through, get all the kinks out, as well as I go through it again with a regular wide tooth comb just to be sure, because I just cannot stand for her hair to be tangled. She can't stand for her hair to be tangled. You know, kids just don't like it. So yeah, this is me going over it with the comb. And then I do use a new leave-in conditioner, which I will show you guys in a minute. It is by Carol's Daughter. It smells so freaking good. I put this throughout her hair as well as try to get some in her scalp. You guys, this is so bomb. I'm definitely gonna buy the rest of the line for her hair because it is just like so amazing. So after I do that, I brush it through and it makes the hair so soft as well. And then I put some in the scalp like I said, and then I have like a not coconut oil, that's castor oil, and I just put that in her scalp as well, just to keep it moisturized and not dry. You know, we don't want her scalp to be dry. And then I also go in with that same Carol's Daughter line, but I use this called a 7 blend oil, and that smells just as amazing and is so good. And I just kind of put that on the hair in general, and then I just brush that through as well to make it, you know, to coat it all the way through. And yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. I just braid it into 4, and she normally sleeps on it, and then I just style it in the morning. I really don't let her sleep in like her bows and barrettes and stuff like that because I don't want it to pull on her hair. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button again if you haven't already, guys. Join our little YouTube family. Sophia and I would love to have you. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.